Assalamu alaikum, brothers and sisters. This is a One Nation Bosnia emergency relief appeal. As you may have heard, the worst floods since records began have hit Bosnia and Serbia, where 3 months of rainfall fell in just 3 days, leaving towns and villages flooded and without power. One Nation is collecting donations in order to purchase essential supplies for the people affected. It is heartbreaking to see that the people who have been rebuilding their houses after the war have now lost everything again. Entire villages in Bosnia have been buried due to the landslides. The following footage is from our One Nation team who are in the most affected areas and are giving us feedback on the situation on a daily basis.
Assalamu alaikum, brothers and sisters in the UK. As you may have heard by now and see it on the news that Bosnia has just gone through the worst flooding in other country which has left thousands of people the evacuation their homes and living without food, shelter, clothing and other essentials aid. Alhamdulillah, One Nation, a registered charity in the UK, is making an emergency appeal to everyone to donate whatever they can to help in this choose.
Nema njega, danas se nije njegov vratiti, znači mora vrata ima.
So what can we do? How can we help? Livelihoods, homes are being completely destroyed and urgent funds will be needed for food, clothing, medical treatment, cleanup and sanitation of the affected areas and rebuilding of both houses and lives. Please donate generously at www.bosniaemergencyrelief.com. Our team on the ground will ensure that your donations reach the most needy. For the latest updates on our relief efforts, please follow us on Facebook. We are in it for the long term. Jazak khair. Assalamu alaikum.